Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Power Automate with Copilot for document workflows. To enable Power Automate with Copilot for document workflows, start by accessing your Power Automate dashboard. Log in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, look for the Solutions tab located on the left navigation pane. Click on Solutions to open the Solutions menu. In the top right corner, select the New Solution button. Provide a name for your solution and click Create. After creating the solution, you will see an option to add a new flow. Select New Flow and choose Automated Cloud Flow from the drop-down menu. In the Automated Flow wizard, give your flow a relevant name. Next, choose a trigger for your flow that relates to documents. Common triggers include when a new file is created or when a file is modified. After select, these might include actions like convert file or send email with attachment. To integrate Copilot, look for the Copilot icon in the editor. Click on the Copilot icon to activate its features. Use Copilot to suggest the next steps in your workflow. Copilot can help you streamline actions and ensure efficiency. As you finalize your flow, test it to confirm that it works as expected. Click on the Test button in the top right corner of the editor. Follow the prompts to run a test of your workflow. If the test is successful, make any necessary adjustments. When you're satisfied with your flow, select Save to keep your changes. You can now activate your flow by clicking on the Turn On button. Your Power Automate with Copilot is now enabled for document workflows. You can access this flow anytime from your dashboard. Explore additional features and options to maximize your use of Power Automate with Copilot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.